Good morning, guys. Happy Hump Day. It's your number one Bay Area backyard and back road super host, me. And because it's Hump Day and I have no one to hump still. It's been years, dusty. And my birthday is May the 4th. Be with you. I will be 45 on 5/4. No birthday sex for me still. So I'm gonna go hang out with guess who? My monk friends, because they understand me better than anyone. Except for you guys. I know you guys get it. Good morning. Yes, my monk friends are out. And we're gonna meditate on this for a little bit. And I'm gonna get back to you guys. You know? Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Yes, the friends are out. And I wonder if Shire is here. If you come here, ask for him. He is an excellent translator. And he will help you out. So, here we go, guys. Shh. This place opens at 9, and it's 9. And you want some fruit?